Secret groups throughout history, such as the Freemasons, have possessed hidden knowledge about the workings of the universe. This knowledge remains confidential because the Freemasons are wise individuals who do not flaunt their abilities or use them for personal gain. The 33rd degree in Masonic teachings represents the highest level, where Freemasons possess unique abilities such as telepathy, energy healing, and reality manipulation. Manly Palmer Hall, a 33rd degree Freemason, shared the esoteric knowledge with the public through his book, The Secret Teachings of All Ages, which explores how Freemasons can control reality and manifest their desires. The Freemasonic belief in the nature of reality is heavily influenced by the Matrix analogy. They see the material world as a simulation or illusion that masks the true reality. This worldview is rooted in Gnosticism, an ancient religious and philosophical movement that suggests the physical world is a creation of a lesser deity called the Demiurge. According to Gnosticism, the true God exists in a transcendent realm beyond the physical world. Freemasonry embraces the idea of the world as an elaborate illusion, concealing the core secrets of existence. Through their degrees of illumination, Freemasons gain a deeper understanding of the matrix-like nature of reality and learn to manipulate it through will, awareness, and rituals. They believe that reality is not limited to what we perceive with our senses and that alternate planes and realms can be accessed through spiritual practices and esoteric knowledge. At the 33rd degree, Freemasons supposedly gain complete knowledge of parallel realities and our ability to shift between them. Drawing on quantum physics principles, they believe that every possibility exists in a timeline, and conscious beings can traverse these alternate realities. By utilizing visualization, ritual magic, meditation, and focused intention, individuals with esoteric wisdom claim they can shape and manifest their desires in the most optimal reality. The ability to make a metaphysical quantum jump between parallel realities relies on consciousness manipulation rather than physical movement. Through ritual symbols, chanting, and visualization, Freemasons energize their mental state to transcend ordinary perception and align with the desired reality. They see consciousness as the selector of which reality to experience from the multitude of possibilities. Freemasonry teaches that every human soul carries a spark of the Supreme Being within, and initiation into the Masonic mysteries aims to awaken this transcendent presence. By recognizing and unifying with this inner divinity, individuals dissolve the illusion of separation and realize their true selves. Masonic rituals and teachings guide individuals towards self-mastery and the manifestation of their desires, aligning with the principle, as above, so below. The Masonic path involves overcoming inner fragmentation, rediscovering the divine wholeness within, and recognizing the shared sacred universal identity of all humanity. By viewing desires as divine expressions and aligning them with higher purpose and principles, individuals can co-create with the forces of the universe. The belief is that desires rooted in the divine essence within oneself are more likely to manifest when in harmony with the cosmic order. In the realm of 33rd degree knowledge and its supposed ability to control reality, we are confronted with esoteric wisdom and metaphysical intrigue. These concepts invite us to question our understanding and explore the depths of human potential. They remind us of our innate quest for meaning and prompt us to explore hidden dimensions of existence, recognize our inner divinity, and consider the profound connection between our desires and the cosmic order. Ultimately, they remind us that the pursuit of knowledge and self-discovery is a driving force in human existence.